Hello everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description. You can check from there. So let's start with the review. It's a UI UX design mastery program by GRRAS Technologies, and if we go with the rating, it's 4.9. It's actually very good rating, but these are also our fake rating. You can check the true rating by trust pilots, and 600 plus hiring partners are there. These are the career opportunities by after completion of course, and this is a course snapshot overview, a duration, timeline, support mode, who should enroll. These are the introduction is there, user research is there, web wireframing is there, visual design UI element is there, usability testing is there, advanced UI UX tools and portfolio development is also there. The toolkit are Illustrator, Photoshop, HT, Figma, Innovation. AI tools are missing in this also, like ChatGPT, Framer, and Figma Make, Jira, and these are the certification, testimonials. Overall, the UI of this page is also very nice. A color combination they have used in this, like orange and white, are overshadowing. And this is a roadmap. 100% support, placement support is there. Hiring partner is also there, and FAQs and all. Overall, it's a good course. Like they have covered all the fundamentals and tools. Like AI tools are not there, but mostly cover all the fundamentals related to UI UX. They have mentioned it in the course. So if we give a rating according to the review, it's one. Fundamental is also one. UI design quality is also one because the overall the page or overall the UI of the page is also very good. In case of if we require UI with quality, and hand-on project is also there. Tools and software training is 0.5. Mentorship and feedback is also 0.5. Portfolio development is there, and placement and career support is also 1. And course values fees is 0.5. Industry relevance update is also 0.5 as they didn't mention any AI tools in the learning of the UI UX course. If we total countdown, it's a 8, and it's a good to go course for the advanced or for the beginner level. You can definitely do with that course. Also, I will add the best UI UX course according to these parameters, which cover all the weightage related to UI UX fundamental and structures, and providing the placement and career support after completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can check from there. Thank you.